Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another dose of cool Castellano Copado from over the rainbow in Buenos Aires, Argentina. And I heard that Sally was selling seashells at the seashore. And I started wondering, what kind of seashells is Sally selling at the seashore? And I found out that Hippie Paul was recently down at the beach, okay? And he came back. And he came back with a seashell. And I said, "Che, Hippie Paul, that's a cool seashell." And he said, "Hey, Paul, how do you say seashell in Castellano?" And I say, "Seashell in Castellano? I don't know. Let's Google Translate it, okay?" And I found the Google translation of seashell as concha. Concha. And I said, "Man, I'm a gentleman. I can't go around saying concha in Buenos Aires, in Castellano." And those of you that know me know I'm a gentleman, okay? We still exist, believe it or not, alright? So it gives me some, strange feeling to be saying this and to give you this dose. But I feel that it has to be done, okay? Because the seashell, la concha, is used so often by everybody, okay? And how do we use la concha in Castellano Copado? Let's check it out, little Hippie Paul. Alright, cool. So first thing you gotta know that as opposed to the turtle shell, okay, even this marine turtle shell, this is un caparazón, caparazón. It's a hard shell. The seashell that little Hippie Paul came back with, okay, is referred to as una concha. Concha, hard on the K, concha. Cha, 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 okay, concha, alright, and as you can see behind me, they come in all different shapes and sizes, okay, and they're all over the place. Those are some I collected, from my years traveling around, okay, Brazil, Argentina, and a couple other places. So little Hippie Paul, I could say, "Che, man, if someone makes you mad, little Hippie Paul, you know what you say? You say, la concha de tu madre. Okay? You say, the seashell of your mother. Okay? It's basically saying, why don't you go, your mother. Okay? It's bad. We used to use that in Philly back in the day. Okay? Why don't you go, your mother. Anda la concha de tu madre. Okay? You can use that in a question too. You can ask somebody to go there politely. "Che, ¿por qué no te vas a la concha de tu madre?" It's just like saying, "¿Por qué no te vas al carajo?" Okay, but in this case, it's the shell of the mother. Different place. Carajo's up there. The shell of the mother is down there. Alright? Cool. Alright, cool. So let's just say that little Hippie Paul wakes up hungover one morning. Well, every morning, really. But let's say this one morning, he's making his way to the bathroom. And he stumps his toe on the table leg. Okay, his pinky toe. And he shouts out, "Ow! La concha de la lora. La concha de la lora. La concha de la lora." The seashell of the parrot. Now he's not really saying the seashell of the parrot. He's saying, the female reproductive organ of the parrot. I have no idea what that looks like or even what that means. If you do, where that comes from, please explain it, okay? It's an enigma. I don't understand where it comes from, okay? Actually, I've heard people refer to the same use of la concha de la lora as la concha del mono. I've heard people say la concha del mono, the seashell of the monkey. Where that comes from, I don't know either. There's a lot of enigma and mystery behind la concha, okay? It's pretty hard to figure out, but we will someday. And, I don't know. Cool. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's my dose of seashells, monkeys, and female parrots, which I couldn't find, okay? Alright, catch you later, and stay safe. I'm gonna hang out here with my seashells. Ciao.